Have you ever tried to generate a video with AI, only to end up with something that looks like a fever dream? Yeah, me too. Six-fingered hands, melting faces, characters who suddenly change clothes mid-sentence. It's a wild world out there. But what if I told you that by 2025, some of these tools will be good enough to fool even a seasoned director? The AI video illusion is here, but not all generators are created equal. That's why I've spent the last few months testing dozens of them, from the laughably bad to the mind-blowingly good. Today, we're going to rank the top AI video generators from worst to best, so you can skip the frustration and jump straight to creating stunning content. Let's start at the bottom of the barrel, shall we? Coming in last place are the many free, browser-based tools that promise the world but deliver very little. I won't name and shame them all, but you've probably seen them. They typically give you a few free credits. You type in a prompt like a cat riding a skateboard and you get a glitchy 3-second clip where the cat and the skateboard seem to be merging into one horrifying entity. The motion is jerky, the objects are distorted, and there's zero consistency. Why are they so bad? Well, they often use older, less powerful models and are designed more as a fun gimmick than a serious creative tool. They're fine for a laugh, but if you're trying to create anything for a project, you'll just be wasting your time. My advice: steer clear unless you're just looking for meme material. Moving up a step, we have tools like Caber. Now, Caber has its place, especially for creating stylized, music video style visuals. It was one of the first to go viral, and it's great at transforming existing images or videos into trippy, animated sequences. Think rotoscoping with an AI twist. The results can be artistic and visually interesting, but it struggles with realism and narrative coherence. If you ask it to generate a person talking, the results are often unsettling. Lips don't sync, and faces can morph in distracting ways. It's more of an AI visual effects tool than a true video generator. It's on our worst end of the list not because it's useless, but because its use case is very narrow. For abstract visuals and music videos, it's a fun toy. For anything else, it just doesn't have the chops. Next on our list, and a significant improvement, is Pika. Pika Labs made a huge splash when it launched, and for good reason. It was one of the first widely accessible tools that showed real promise in generating coherent short clips from text prompts. The image quality is a definite step up from the lower-tier options. You can get some genuinely beautiful shots with great lighting and color. Pika also introduced features like Modify Region, which gives you a bit more control over the final output. However, it still has its limitations. Consistency between shots is a major challenge. If you generate a character in one clip, generating the same character in a different pose or setting is nearly impossible. Motion can also be a bit floaty, and complex actions are often misinterpreted. Pika is a fantastic tool for creating beautiful, isolated B-roll clips, but stringing them together into a coherent story is still a frustrating experience. It's a sign of great things to come, but it's not quite ready for primetime storytelling. Now we're getting into the serious contenders. In third place, I'm putting Runway Gen 2. Runway has been a pioneer in the creative AI space for years, and Gen 2, a powerhouse. Its text-to-video and video-to-video capabilities are impressive. The quality of the video it generates is often more cinematic and less AI-generated than Pika's. Where Runway really shines is its suite of editing tools. You have motion brush, camera controls, and the ability to train your own custom generators. This gives creators a level of control that other platforms just don't offer. However, the learning curve is steeper, and like Pika, maintaining character consistency across multiple shots is its Achilles heel. While you can create amazing short films with it if you're clever with your prompts and editing, you'll spend a lot of time fighting the AI to get what you want. It's incredibly powerful, but it still requires the user to do a lot of heavy lifting. In the runner-up spot, we have a recent and formidable player, Kling. Developed by Chinese tech company Kuaishou, Kling came out of nowhere and blew everyone away. Its major selling point is the ability to generate up to 2 minutes of high-quality 1080p video. That's a huge leap forward from the typical 4 to 16-second clips we were used to. Kling also seems to have a much better understanding of physics and complex motion. We're seeing clips of people eating noodles or playing sports that look shockingly realistic. The model was trained on a massive data set, and it shows. It can handle more complex prompts and deliver results with fewer artifacts and distortions. The only reason it's not in the #1 spot is its current limited accessibility outside of China and the fact that we're still waiting to see its full capabilities in the hands of a global user base. It's a true game changer, but the champion has one key advantage. And that brings us to the king of the hill, the best AI video generator you can use right now, Sora, from OpenAI. When the first Sora demos dropped, they broke the internet, and for good reason. The level of realism, coherence, and detail is simply in a class of its own. Sora seems to understand the physical world in a way no other model does. It can generate complex scenes with multiple characters, specific types of motion, and maintain a consistent style and character over longer durations. The texture of a sweater, the reflection in a puddle, the way a person's hair moves in the wind, Sora gets these details right. While it's still not perfect and has its own quirks, its ability to interpret nuanced prompts and generate photorealistic, cinematic video is unparalleled. The main drawback, of course, is that it's not yet publicly available. But based on every demo and the few clips we've seen from early testers, it's clear that Sora is setting the standard for the future of AI video. It's the tool that will truly blur the line between what's real and what's generated. So there you have it, a complete rundown of the AI video landscape as we head into 2025. We've gone from the glitchy messes to the almost indistinguishable from reality magic of Sora. The speed of improvement in this space is absolutely staggering. A tool that seems amazing today could be obsolete in 6 months. The key takeaway is to choose the right tool for the job. If you need abstract visuals, Caber might work. If you need beautiful B-roll, Pika and Runway are great options. But if you want a glimpse into the future of filmmaking, keep your eyes on Kling and, of course, Sora. This technology is evolving faster than anything we've ever seen, and I can't wait to see what we'll be able to create next. What do you think? Did I miss any of your favorite tools? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of AI. See you in the next one.